Hello all, here I am your physics teacher Miss Amruta Zadhav ma'am. As we have discussed 5 numerical in the first part of numerical series of kinetic theory of gases and radiation. So here I am with the second part of the same chapter, which is kinetic theory of gases and radiation. So this is the part 2 in which we are going to discuss more 5 numericals. Alright, so let's quickly move towards next. Yes, so here is the sixth one numerical. Let us discuss what it is. Calculate energy radiated in 1 minute by a black body. So time is given as 1 minute. So here you can see 1 minute is given by a black body. Surface area 100 centimeter which is given, and temperature it is given. So I have written. Let us see again what you are going to calculate and what is given. Black body is there and it is radiating energy in 1 minute, whose having surface area 100 centimeter square, and it is maintained at the temperature of 227 degrees Celsius. Alright, so firstly what we are going to do, yes, we are going to write down the given things and we are going to convert all the given things into a single system of unit. So time, as it is given as 1 minute, so it will convert into 60 seconds. Area is 100 centimeter square, so let us convert it into meter square, which will be equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter square. Alright, T, that is temperature, is given as 227 degrees Celsius, so it will be 500 Kelvin, as we are going to add 273 Kelvin to the given temperature. So you are getting 500 K as temperature. Now by using the formula of energy radiation, which is nothing but Q is equal to sigma A T raised to 4, where sigma is constant, A is area, T is time, and capital T is temperature. So by substituting all the values, all the given things in a formula, you are getting the value. This is very simple numerical which can be asked for 2 marks, because only formula you have to write and substitute the all the things, then you will get the answer. No need to convert the formula into another formula. A step forward answer is there. So this is nothing but Q, which is energy radiated in 1 minute by a black body, is 2137.5 joule. Joule is the unit, and you have to write unit as well, because it will be having 1 mark to both, to the number, to magnitude, as well as to the unit. Combinedly it is having 1 mark. Alright, so this is the numerical which we have solved. I hope you all got this numerical. Let's move towards the next one, which is this 7th. Energy is emitted in from a hole, energy is emitted from a hole in is not there. Energy is emitted from a hole in an electric furnace at the rate of 20 watt when the temperature of furnace is 727 degrees Celsius. What is the area of hole? Okay, do you all know what is electrical furnace? Is the machine in which heat is provided to the substance. It is used in basically companies, it is used in laboratories. So it is basically similar to oven, but heat in this material or in this apparatus is at very high. So as you can see, the furnace is at the temperature of 727 degrees Celsius. Alright, so it is having hole inside a furnace, and a rate of energy emission is 20. So what will be the area of hole so that it can irradiate or emit energy of 20 watt? So let's see, as given things, constant is given. What is given? The rate. dq by dt is given as 20. T 727, we have to add 273 to convert it into Kelvin. So this will be Kelvin. I have written Celsius over there, it is not right. It is Kelvin over here. So dq by dt is sigma A T raised to 4. dq by dt is 20. So by substituting all the values, we are getting this dq by dt 20, sigma is 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8, area is as it is, we are going to find out the area, and t raised to 4 means as 1000 is there, so I have written over there, so 10 cube is written over here and raised to 4. By calculating all these things, we are getting 20, as we have to find out a, so 20 divided by 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 into this 3 into 4 will be 12, so 10 raised to 12, so you are getting a as 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. So this is the area of that hole through which energy is emitted of the rate of 20. Okay, I hope you all got both the numericals. So let's quickly move towards next one. See, 8th numerical, which is based on emissive power. Okay, emissive power of a sphere of area 0.02 meter square is 0.5 kilocalorie per second per meter square. What is the amount of heat radiated by spherical surface in 20 seconds? Emissive power of a sphere of area. Emissive power is given of a sphere which is having area 0.02 meter square. R is given as, that is emissive power is 0.5 kilocalorie per second per meter square. Let us convert it into calorie per second per meter square. So we have to multiply it by 10 to the power 3 to convert from kilocalorie to calorie. Time is 20 seconds, and what we are going to find out? Q. Okay, so as we know, the formula for Q is RAT. So let us substitute all the values over here. So we are getting Q as 200 calorie. So this is this is for 2 marks. It can be asked for 2 marks as it is only one step forward. 1 mark for formula and other marks are distributed over here. Right, so this may be asked for 2 marks. So this is very easy. So let us move towards the next one, which is depend on this law. Which law is this? Ven's displacement law, which is lambda max is inversely proportional to T, in which we have seen the spectral distribution, and by using that spectral distribution you can decide the region, either it is visible, ultraviolet, microwave region. You can decide by using the graphical representation. So let us see what is the form numerical is here. Earth's mean temperature can be assumed to be 280 Kelvin. Earth's mean temperature is given as 280 Kelvin. No need to convert. Temperature is directly given as 280 Kelvin. How will the curve of black body radiation look like for this temperature? Find out lambda max. In which part of the electromagnetic spectrum does it lie? That means when we draw a diagram or when we draw a graph of this, how the curve will look like, that we are going to find out. Okay, let's see. B is the Ven's constant which is given. So let us write down the formula, which is lambda max is inversely proportional to T. So lambda max is equal to B by T. So let us find out lambda max. By substituting both the values, we are getting 1.035 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. So this lies in microwave region. You can see the diagram or graphical representation in which all the regions are given. We have discussed all the theory part about this, in which we are using that theoretical part of spectrums, and we are using that regions over here. So as the value is 1.035 into 10 raised to minus 5, this lies in microwave region. It may be under visible, it may be under UV. So we have to find out by using the formula or by using the value of lambda max. Then we can decide under which region it lies. Okay, so this is about electromagnetic spectrum. So let's move towards last one, which is 10th numerical. It is again depending on the same. Let us find out. Find the temperature of black body if its spectrum has peak at again you have to remember the spectrum in which lambda max means what? It is not the maximum wavelength, it is the wavelength at which energy is maximum. Which energy? Radiant energy is maximum at that lambda, so we are saying it as lambda max. All right, so what is given for the first? It is lambda max is equal to 700 newton meter and it lies in visible region. All right, so I have written lambda max is equal to 700 newton meter, so we have to convert it into meter. So it should be multiplied by 10 raised to minus 9. As you can see from this formula, T is nothing but B upon lambda max. By putting both the values, you're getting this, which is 4138 Kelvin. This is the first temperature. Now we are going to find out the second temperature, for which lambda max is 3 centimeter. Lambda max is 3 centimeter. Let us convert it into meter by multiplying to 10 raised to minus 2. By substituting the value in a given formula, which is T is equal to B upon lambda max, we are getting this. Temperature is 0.09656 Kelvin. At this temperature, lambda max is 3 centimeter. Third one, by applying the same rule. Third one, lambda max is 3 meter. By putting value, we are getting 0.9656 into 10 raised to minus 3 Kelvin. So these are the temperature at which lambda max is given. So this is as simple as that. So here we have been finished with the numericals which are there in exercise. Alright, so this is all about the numericals. The numericals which you cannot solve, please do comment. I will give you the solution of that. I will give you hints to the numericals which you don't get. So go through the textbook, go through the exercise, you will come to know how easy it is and how you can calculate the values. Okay, so thank you so much for watching all the videos. Do solve the test which is given, the link is given. Do solve the test. To attend the test, it is compulsory, and to give attendance, test is compulsory. All right, so thank you so much.